あ、見てこの上。色だよ。
お、結構珍しいじゃん。
本当だね。
It's kind of interesting. You don't really see too many. It's very
うんうん。
American. So Aya doesn't want to be in the video, so she's making sure not to walk in front of me.
理由は言わないで。
Okay.
Because I don't have face.
Yeah, she didn't put any makeup on today because it's Saturday, so we've just been hanging out and preparing. I'm teaching tomorrow at church, so preparing a lesson. So I'll try not to get too much of this, but see if I can sneak it in before she gets angry at me for taking a video of it. So this is a cemetery.
What?
I think that's interesting that she'll let me take video of it, but she won't let me take. Oh no, now she's getting angry, so she's worried that Ghost is gonna come out and get us. And I have no idea how much people can actually hear in this, so we'll see how it turns out. I'm wondering if the rain noise is gonna be too loud. So we've got a little park. え、幼稚園じゃない？公園じゃないでしょ。
うん、公園だよ。
Huh. So we've got a little park that looks pretty sad, especially in the rain, because it's just mud. See if I can sneak some video of Aya and see if she'll understand.
いいじゃん、ダメって言ったじゃんか。
はいはい
ダメ。
So we got a Coke
あ、
vending
これ見
machine.
て、映ってるよ。イェーイ。あ、見てくれてるね。
Huh?
見ててるんだ。
これちょっと待ってて、ごめんね。So if this video is not very good, I apologize because I'm still getting used to filming. This is the first time I've done it with the hand cam. So apartment building, just lots of apartment buildings and lots of houses. So we've got a pretty nice little neighborhood.
静かだね、今日。
So I like this part of where we live because it's pretty quiet. There's not a busy road. Because the one we live right next to is super busy, and also we have a highway right next to us. So